Uh, Hi, this is Joy from CST Department second year. I'm going to do the 10th experiment in object-oriented programming in C++ lab. I'll show you the question. The question number can be calculated using the formula registration number modulus number of questions plus 1. My registration number is 45, so 45 modulus number of questions is 5, so 0 plus 1 is 1. So I have been given the first question to do. I'll read out the question for you. Write a function in C++ to count and display the number of lines not starting with alphabet capital A present in a text file story.txt. Example, if the file story.txt contains the following lines, then the output will be, the function should display the output as 3. Now I'll show you the program. This is a program. So for the first line, hash include iostream as a call for the compiler to call the header file which contains input and output functions. Hash include fstream is a call for the compiler to call the header file stream for using the file operations. Using namespace stds to use the standard functions, then standard input and output functions. Then a read function is there to read the number of lines which does not start with capital A. Its return type is integer. So I create an object of class ifstream, that is input file stream. The location of given over here, uses here, and IOSN is used. The in function and the iOS class is used, and then I declare a array of characters. The name of the variable is data. Then I declare two variables count and I. Count is initialized to 0 and both of these variables are of type integer. Then I call the open function to open the file of the input object. So the story file is opened, story.txt, and I is initialized to 0. Sorry, this line may not be. So while input.getLine data, the data is inputted into data variable until the 100 position. So if data 0 element is equal to A, then the count is incremented. So this while loop runs until the position of the inputted element is 100. So then at last the count is returned, and then in the main function we initialize a variable A. Now A will be assigned the return value of read, and that is a count variable, and then the number of lines not starting with A are displayed using the cout statement. And since it is an integer main integer function, since this function has a return type is integer, we have to return integer type value. Since there is no specific value to return over here, we just return 0. Now I'll compile the program. Since there is no errors, I'll run the program. So we have got the successful output, that is the number of lines not starting with A are 3. For a confirmation, I'll show you the txt file. Yes, story. So the number of lines not starting with A are this line 1, 2, 3. So we have got the successful output. Thank you.